Isleville has one of the best coach bus systems in the nation, and Chang Chong, the Whirlpool salesman, takes advantage of this method of free transportation. What a happy group of travelers! People from all walks of life ride the red bus, from American Idol contestants to evil Mastermind henchmen. Nice red jumpsuit, buddy. Little Larry has been warned by his mom over and over again not to play with matches, and he always looks both ways before crossing the street. But he didn't take her advice. Let's see how he does. It's not looking too good for our young friend. The red bus is out of control and hits the treehouse lair of Isleville's biggest evil mastermind, Bucky, who likes to terrorize the neighborhood with his pranks. Luckily, Bucky is a big fan of Extreme Makeover Home Edition, and his tear-filled letter of loss of his evil lair reaches the heart of Ty Pennington, who agrees to redo Bucky's treehouse. Having lost his only prisoner due to the lack of security in the new treehouse, Bucky's desires to control his neighborhood reach a new level as he sends his henchmen to the moon to claim it as his new neighborhood. The red bus has been known to make intergalactic trips and drops off Anna, the owner of the moon. She had been looking for investors to join her in the building of condos on the moon. She is surprised when she is greeted by Bucky's henchmen. A hair-raising battle begins for the moon. The red bus is not fully repaired from the treehouse collision, has difficulties on its return from the moon, and loses some of its contents in Bucky's backyard pool. What will happen to the town of Isleville without its reliable source of transportation? And what will Bucky and his evil henchmen do now that they control the moon? Don't turn that dial or press that button on your remote. We'll return after this short message from our sponsors. Whoops, we have no sponsors, and the show has been canceled. Oh well, I shall bid you adieu and happy trails.